Hello guys, I think this is gonna be a random video. I'm gonna tell you guys my favorite animals. My first favorite animal is a honey badger. They just cool. Well, the American version. I heard they are assholes, and they are very aggressive. Next one is a pangolin, not penguin, pangolin. It's sort of like a penguin mixed with armadillo. You heard about them. Basically, they're spikes, basically made of fingernails. Tons of them. This one not really counts as an animal or a mammal or anything above a water bear. They are microscopic creatures. Honestly, one of the coolest creatures I've ever seen. I like a brown bear too. Brown bear, let's see. Favorite bug? I don't think I have one. Hercules beetle are cool. Oh yeah, I really do like an alligator. An alligator just cool. I don't know. Is it a crocodile or... I like crocodiles too. I think I like crocodiles way more than alligators. My favorite type of lizard? I mean, correctly speaking, this does count. A dragon. A dragon is cool. Yeah, I'm just making this video. I know it's been a few days since I last made a video. I think pretty sure 3 days. Yeah, bye.